This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 355 PACK14 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, in 46,914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by RV Dynasty, visit RVUSA.com.